Dear students, let us see the solution of assignment 6. Basically, this assignment deals with sampling, SPC, statistical process control and various control charts. So, you were given 15 questions, all were of objective type, and here I would present the necessary calculations and the solution for the questions. So, question 1. If 10 samples items are chosen from a population with defect rate 0.3, what is the probability that exactly 6 items are defective? So, A 0.0367, 0.0734, 0.1101, none of the above. So, the correct answer is A. Probability that x defectives in n is n factorial divided by x factorial n minus x factorial p raised to x 1 minus p raised to n minus x. So, p you can compute, that comes out to be 0.0367. Question 2, 100 samples are selected from a lot of size 5000 bolts, 15 bolts are found to be defective, the control limit is 10, what should be the inspector's decision? Should he accept the lot, reject the lot, go for 100% inspection, or either reject the lot or go for 100% inspection? So, the correct answer is D. Either reject the lot or go for 100% inspection, as you can see that the number of defects are higher than the control limit and the inspector should either reject the lot or go for the 100% inspection. So, this you can see from here that control limit is 10 and 15 bolts are found to be defective. So, question 3, if 30 LCDs are selected from a lot of 1000, if the lot comes with the defect level of exactly 0.2 and the probability of accepting the lot is 0.7, identify average quality of LCDs. So, various options are there 685, 315, 630, 855. So, the correct answer is B 315. Average total inspection can be found using the formula ATI is equal to n plus 1 minus PA into n minus n is equal to 315. Question 4, Larson nomogram is applicable in case of single sampling plan, on the situation based on binomial distribution, both the above, none of the above. So, answer is C, both the above. Question 5, suppose we want to see whether a particular product is to be accepted or rejected, which one of these is the process to check? Control limits, specification limits, both A and B, none of the above. So, the correct answer, as you understand, is B, specification limits. Question 6, 2 cylinder manufacturing machines produce cylinders of diameter 100 centimeter. Samples of 10 cylinders have been taken from both the machines. The recorded dimensions are as follows. Machine A, you can see the string 100, 98, 97, 102 and so on. Machine B 103, 104, 105, 106, 101 and so on. So, select the correct option. Machine A is more precise than machine B, machine B is more accurate than machine A, machine A and B both are equally precise, machine A and machine B are equally accurate. So, machine A is more precise than machine B, your answer is A. You can see machine A is more precise than machine B. So, for machine A, mean is equal to 100 and variance is equal to 6.66, machine B mean is equal to 100 and variance is equal to 19.33. So, mean for the machine A and machine B are same, you can see it. The variance of machine B is much higher, almost 3 times than that of machine A. So, machine A is more precise than machine B, the readings of machine B are more scattered, and so far the accuracy is concerned, both are equally accurate. Question 6, from a lot of size n, few samples of size n are taken and sample means are calculated. Assume that the process follows normal distribution. If the standard deviation of the samples of size 40 is 1, what is expected standard deviation of the samples of size 900? So, you have 4 options A 0.25, B 0.5, C 0.66 and D 2. So, the correct answer is C 0.66 and you can find it out as sigma x bar is equal to sigma s divided by square root of n, sigma x1 bar divided by sigma x2 bar is equal to square root of n2 by n1. So, it is square root of 900 by 400 and this would be If you simplify, sigma x2 bar would be 0.66. Question 8. Let the specified dimension and standard deviation for a process be 330 and 0.5 respectively. 4 samples A, B, C and D are selected from a lot. Measured dimension for these samples are 101.5, 101, 99, 98 respectively. Which sample is to be rejected? Whether you will reject sample A, B, C or D. So, the correct answer is D, that sample D should be rejected. You can see the control limit x bar plus or minus 3 sigma x bar. So, sigma x bar is 0.5, control limit you can find it as 100 plus or minus 3 into 0.5. So, 98.5 and 101.5, these are your upper and lower control limits. So, dimension of sample D is out of control limit and hence it should be rejected. Question 9. In an experimentation, following values are recorded. So, average x bar is 300 centimeter, variation of x bar is 1.69 centimeter and you can calculate control limit. So, what is the right control limit? You have A, B, C and D options on the screen. So, you can compute it easily, x bar plus or minus 3 sigma x bar. You are given the variance, so your sigma x bar is 1.3 and the correct control limits are 296.1 and 303.9. Question 10 is to check your understanding on type 2 error. Type 2 error means A, getting a signal that process is out of control though it is in control. B, getting a signal that process is out of control when it is out of control. C, getting a signal that process is in control though it is out of control. And D, getting a signal that process is in control when it is in control. So, the correct answer is C, type 2 error is getting a signal that process is in control though it is out of control. Question 11. In an experiment, following data have been obtained. Range for the 5 samples is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. UCL for factor D4 is equal to 3. LCL for factor D3 is equal to 1. Find the control limits. So, you can compute it easily. R bar first you have to compute, that is 8. LCL is D3 R bar. The tabulated value for D3 is 1. So, 1 into 8 is 8 and UCL is D4 R bar. So, tabulated value for D4 is 3. 3 into 8 is 24. So, control limits would be 824. Question 12. Which one of these charts is cannot be used as attribute chart? X bar chart, P chart, NP chart, C chart. So, the correct answer is A. You cannot use X bar chart, basically it is a chart for variables. Question 13. The relationship in X bar chart and X chart is the variance of X bar chart is higher than X chart, the variance of X bar chart is lower than X chart, the variance of X bar chart is equal to X chart, no such relationship. So, the correct answer is that variance of X bar chart is lower than X chart. Question 14. In normal distribution, the area covered between mu plus or minus 2 sigma is 66%, 95%, 99.7%, 96.6%. So, the correct answer is B. This area is basically 95%. The last question in this assignment is question 15. Gauge R and R is used to analyze the process capability, for acceptance sampling, to analyze the measurement system, none of the above. So, the correct answer is C. To analyze the measurement system, gauge R and R is used and this is used to analyze the measurement system. So, thank you very much. We are completing the solution of this particular assignment, and if you have any doubt, once again I would advise that you go through a particular lecture and try to understand the intricacies involved in the concept, or you are free to raise a question on Google forum and you can easily interact with me. Thank you very much.